Houston, come in, Houston.
Go ahead, Jim. Go ahead.
Houston, we have a problem. We had an eclipse of the sun and the footage is not great.
Show us where you were, Michael. Why don't you do that already? That could improve things.
Okay, will do. Let's see now. Let's zoom in on this location here in France. Chevreau Castle. Already the video is going wrong, but we'll do what we can to get there. Let's go back to the chateau. And where I was when, along with a lot of other people, I watched this eclipse. And I'm in the process of trying to polish a turd in a way, because I was here in front of this cowshed looking that direction. And if I zoom out, if I can just gain access. Yeah, no, we'll handle the graphics, Jim. It's fine. We had the sun kind of following this path here, really. Anyway, let's cut to the chase. This is what I filmed on the Sony. This is on a time lapse. 2 seconds of video every 40 seconds. I'll move the camera to the left. And then we got the sunset while there was still an eclipse. Which doesn't, the moon doesn't seem to move much. It's kind of weird. Yeah. So that's where I was. It's where the action took place. East, middle of France. Just beneath the cowshed there. Okay, well, on with the rest of it. Let's see what I can come up with. So this is the setup. Here's a Samsung S10 on a gimbal. And the problem I had was that with time-lapse, there's no zoom. So this is all the S10 footage. And I just fixed the exposure. And this is what it delivered. Not a lot to write home about. Kind of a nice colour, but as far as an eclipse goes, you wouldn't particularly know. You don't know what's going on. But like any good workman, I'm not going to blame my tools. You know, a number of people came up to me and said, "Is it okay to film?" As if the message had gone round: don't look at the sun, don't point your cameras at the sun, don't do anything with the sun unless you've got these glasses on. I was like, yeah, it's fine. When you're on the beach, you know, you filmed as your camera does look at the sun. So this continues. Here I go back to real filming. We get audio. and we can use the zoom. Just being prepared, basically. Back to time lapse. Pretty fast, you know, every second I think, probably. Looking at those cars, it's taking a picture. Another look at Sony through the Sony viewfinder. And although this footage of the Sony, I would class it as a failure, I have to say that I didn't expect this, and this is pretty good. So overall, not bad. Be prepared, do your homework, that's all it takes. I'll see you next time for another video with me and the cats. And I feel like I need to add a PS here, because when I say the Sony footage was disappointing, what I mean is that 95% of it was this, right? This is it. If I fast forward this times whatever it is on the fast forward buttons here, it won't really change that much. You know, I did occasionally put a cap over that I got given to me by a passerby, and yeah, I should have played with the camera basically. That's what I'm disappointed about, that I didn't do something earlier. Because, here we go, this is where I actually started. And we are, how long have I been filming? Whoop. Can't tell you. But yeah, that's the PS. Do stuff sooner. Just not having it. Fuck me.